Of course, we know that all the living organisms, including plant, animals, and humans, all of them, they have or they perform 7 vital processes. They are called what? These 7 characteristics, starting by the nutrition. All the living organisms need food to survive. And the second process, it's called growth. All the living organisms, they grow during their life. And sensation. Sensation means feeling. We have feelings. We can feel. Number 4, we have motion. Living organisms, they are characterized by their ability to move from one place to another one. And respiration, it means that we breathe to take oxygen gas and release carbon dioxide gas out of our body. Excretion, what is the meaning of the word excretion? Excretion is the process where the living organism get rid of the unwanted material or the waste materials out of their body. And number 7, we have reproduction. Reproduction is the process where the living organism get new individuals. So again, all the living organisms, they characterized by performing 7 processes, which are what? The first one, it's called the nutrition, yani getting food. Growth, they growing. Sensation, yani feelings. Motion, they move or they change their place from one place to another one. Respiration, yani get or take oxygen gas and release out carbon dioxide gas. And we have excretion, yani they get rid of the waste material out of their body. And we have reproduction. Today we are going back, or during this unit, we are going specifically to talk about reproduction. To talk about what? Reproduction process. All these vital processes, they aim to what? They aim to help the living organisms to survive. Yani I cannot survive without eating food, without respiration, without excretion. Of course, I have a sensation. So if I have if I get sick, yani I can feel and I can go to the doctor to treat this ill. And all of us need what? Need these vital processes to survive, to survive, okay? But of course, we don't need reproduction to survive. يعني reproduction, it's a very important process. But it just aim to continue the species of the living organisms. يعني it just ensure the existence of the species. يعني وجود الكائنات الحية ما يحصلهمش extinction. But it's not important. يعني without reproduction, I'm not going to die. Okay, so again, all the vital processes, they aim to make what? To help the living organism to survive. Except what? Except the reproduction. Its aim is to make what? To secure the living organism from extinction. Secure their species. Secure what? Their species and prevent them from extinction. So, it protects the species from extinction, and the life of the individual doesn't depend on it. Yani my life doesn't depend on the reproduction. Without reproduction, I can survive and I can live. Okay? Let's define together what is the meaning of the word reproduction process. I said it's a vital process. Yani vital process, yani the process that can happen through the living organisms, through human, plant, or animals. And it aims to what? It aims to secure the existence and continuity of the living organism species. By what? By producing new individuals. So the reproduction process, it's aimed to make what? To get new individual, or to produce new individuals of the same species, to prevent them from what? To prevent them from extinction. Okay? So again, reproduction is a process, it's a vital process that aim to what? To secure the existence of the living organisms and to protect them from what? From extinction. By what? By producing new individuals. During this lesson, we are going to talk about the reproduction in plant. Plant can reproduce by 2 types of reproduction. The first one, here I have sexual reproduction, and the second one, it's called asexual reproduction. What is the difference between sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction? In the sexual reproduction, it happens or it occurs through male and female reproductive organs in the flower. So in the sexual reproduction, I need what and what? I need a male organs and the female organs to make what? To reproduce together. Okay? And specifically, it exists in what? It exists in the flowers. But in the asexual reproduction, it happens or it occurs through a various vegetative parts of the plant except the flowers. يعني this type of reproduction can happen or can occur through the roots, the stem, the leaves of the plant, but without the need of the flower. So the flower doesn't share in the asexual reproduction. Why? Because flower is considered as the sexual organ in the plant. So sexual reproduction occurs in the flower, but asexual reproduction occurs in any part with any part of the flower except any part of the plant except what? Except the flower. Okay? At the beginning, we are going to start with the sexual reproduction. We said that the flower is the organ of sexual reproduction. It's what? The organ of sexual reproduction in the flowering plant. So, sexual reproduction, it happens in what? Specifically in the flower. Why? Because the flower is the organ of the sexual reproduction. Type. If you want to define the flower, what is the flower? Flower, it's a short stem. It's short stem. And whose leaves are modified. يعني حصل change للستيم ده أو الليفز دي and modified to form what? To form genital organs which in turn form inside the fruits.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.